Hello guys, welcome to Technolung Review. Today I will review the Screpy web analysis tool. You will find its lifetime deal at AppSumo at just $49. If you need an extra 10% off, please watch the full video. Screpy is an AI-based SEO and web analysis tool that lets you and your team analyze and monitor all your website metrics in one dashboard. When I am reviewing it, it shows 864 reviews, and the count is increasing every day. If we see the review section, then we can tell that almost all the reviews are good. It means it is a quality SEO tool. We will explore the ins and outs of the tool in the video, and we'll see if it is a good fit for you or not. It is an alternative to Ahrefs and SEMrush, and it is the best for developers, marketing agencies, and small businesses. It comes with a C Pro plan. It includes technical SEO audit and monitoring, page speed analysis and monitoring, Google Rank Checker, SERP, both mobile and desktop, monthly 4,000 keywords credits, syntax checker, 10 websites, and monthly 8,000 analysis credits, on-demand analysis, 1 team and 10 team members, stacking info, marks stack up to 10 codes. Each code adds projects, crawler credits, team members, and SERP credits. Now, without further delay, let's jump into the dashboard of Screpy. It is the dashboard of Screpy. You will find Select a Project, Inspect URL, My Projects, and Add Project in the dashboard. In the Select Project section, you will see the projects that already had been analyzed. You will also see it in the My Projects section. In the Inspect URL section, you can inspect any URL you want with a new project. So, it is better to work with the Add Project option. Click on Add Project, then put the name of the website and its website URL. Here, you can see some options in Advanced Setting, Crawler Update Frequency, Max Page Limit, User Agent, Timeout, and Max Depth. Please, keep it as it is. Now, we will save the project, and it will start analyzing. We need to wait for some time. After finishing the analyzing part, you will see a complete overview of your site. On the left, you will find the overview, issues, crawler, content, SERP, page speed, links, images, and uptime options. In the overview, you will find the summary of the whole site. Like site health, here it shows 80 and 100, which is good. Crawled pages, 123. Redirects, 1. Broken, 0. Blocked, 0. Healthy, 122. In the later part, you will see the issues of the site. We will discuss it in the next part. In the Issues tab, you will find different issues. No index page count, 7. No follow page count, 7. Page has links to broken page, 12. HTTPS page has internal links to HTTP, 3. 3xx redirect count, 1. Duplicated H1 count, 25, and many more. You need to fix those. In the crawler part, you will find all the crawling options. Please, keep it as it is. Next, in the Content tab, you will find keywords, 12 on 98. You can find all the keywords there. Missing title, null, which means 0. Long titles, 80. Here you see the long titles post. You need to reduce the length of the title, as it is very bad for your site. You can also find short titles, 24. Missing description, 22. Long description, 9. Short description, 22. Missing H1, null, which means 0. Low content ratio, 22. Low word count, null, which means 0. Duplicated title, 4. You can find duplicate titles here. You need to delete duplicate titled posts. You can also find duplicated description, 2. Duplicated H1, 6. In the SERP option, you can add keywords to track rank. Here, you see some keywords. We will add some keywords and check the rank. It will take time, so let's move to the next section. In the Page Speed tab, you can check General Page Speed and Core Web Vital. You will need to fix it if any issues arise. In the Links tab, you will see All Links, 291. Broken Links, 12. Internal Links, 118. External Links, 169. Anchor links, null. Do follow links, 2931. No follow links, null. no referrer links, 748, no opener links, 762. Here, broken links are very important, and you should fix them. In the Image tab, you will find all images, 327, missing alt, 140, missing title, 1102, broken images, 2, big images, 22, redirections, null, slow images, 294. Fix the missing alt tag, broken image, big image, and slow images issue, as it can ruin your site SEO. In the uptime, you will see the uptime report. Here, you will find average response time, status code, period, average uptime. So, it is a complete overview of the Screpy tool. If you follow this video, you will not need any tutorials to use this amazing tool. If you need this complete SEO tool, then you can buy its lifetime deal from AppSumo at just $49. I give the lifetime deal link in the description of the video. Just go to the link and purchase it, if you really need it. It is an affiliate link. If you purchase from this link, I will get a small percentage, and you get a 10% discount also. Moreover, if you actually like this video, please subscribe to us and give us a like. And, for more information, please visit www.technoloung.com.